Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a tea light candle centerpiece for Christmas. Let's get started. Take an empty chips can and cut it into two parts of the desired length. Cut circles out of cardboard and attach them to the bottom of the cylinder. Paint the cylinders with multiple coats of acrylic paint. I used 3 cylinders, one painted white, another in a combination of white and red. Then the third one is with red. Using air dry clay, make different shapes. You can also use silicone molds for this as well. Attach the clay shapes to the cylinder and paint them. Using a 3D liner or glass liner, draw the designs. Add embellishments like sticker gems or ribbons if you have them. Finish off with a sealant. Repeat these steps for the other cylinders. Cut a circle out of cardboard and cover it with jute fabric. fix all 3 cylinders onto the cardboard. Place the tea light candles on the cylinders. Arrange candles in a beautiful basket or tray along with some pine cones and other Christmas ornaments. Now let's light the candles and enjoy the beauty of the centerpiece. Hope you liked and enjoyed this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.